Hello guys and welcome to TechGist Tutorials.
In today's video, I will show you a step-by-step guide on how to see archive stories on Facebook. By the end of the video, you will be able to see all the stories you have archived on Facebook. So let's dive right in. You guys can see I'm currently on the Facebook app.
At the top, there should be about 6 icons. Now, go ahead and click on the menu icon here, and you should get brought to the menu page. Now from here, make your way down until you find the settings and privacy. There are many options here, but just go ahead and click the settings tab. From here, make your way down to preferences. Find the option called your time on Facebook. And then from here, it's going to give you 4 more options. Go ahead and click which says see your time. Basically, it's going to show you all the time you spend on Facebook. Now, at the bottom of the page here, there should be an activity log. Go ahead and click on that. There's going to be even more options right there, but just notice the option which says archive, and then go ahead and click on it. Now click on story archive. And right here, you should actually be able to see all of the archive stories that you've actually had on Facebook. So that's essentially how you see all of your archive stories on Facebook. And that's all for this tutorial.
Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications to receive more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching and see you again next time.